Hello from the clouds. Whee! Hoo-hoo-hoo. Welcome back, everyone, to MEF Infinite Edge. I'm Jeff Civilico, your host for episode 7, as we take to the friendly skies. Ha-ha! I'm flying over to my studio in Las Vegas. Oh, let me check my GPS, see how I'm doing along the way. Uh-oh. We're headed over Area 51. Ooh, I better look out for UFO. They can see your fingers. UFOs, ha! All right, we are on to explore now clouds and collaboration, delivering a unified customer experience. And they can see the stool. Just cut, forget it. Get over the green screen. I'm taking my head out of the clouds while it's still on my shoulders. Jeez. It's time to focus on collaboration. Apparently, it's safer. Now, clearly, some collaborations, they just work, you know, like smartphones and GPS. And some don't, like me and a green screen. Clearly. But technology is not the only genre where we see the value of great collaborations. Of course, food, for example, milk and cookies, ooh, peanut butter and jelly, or the controversial pineapple on pizza. Personally, I'm a fan. For the purposes of demonstration, I may need to do a little taste test later. Getting hungry just thinking about it. Now, the real framework of our discussion today centers on how enterprise users increasingly seek an on-demand, secure, high-performance, low-latency experience when accessing applications in hybrid, multi, and distributed cloud environments, and how closer collaboration between hyperscale cloud providers and network service providers is critical to meeting this digital transformation needed in the most simplified, seamless, and resilient way possible. With good collaboration, everyone wins. Now, we'll also learn how MEF is facilitating collaboration through its work on standardized APIs and services within the context of end-to-end automation across a connected ecosystem of enterprises, service providers, and cloud providers. But before we get started, I think we should recap the highlights so far.
You can imagine that when you get to that level of latency, you can create some truly innovative use cases that allow us to use the network to move workloads at the speed at which the mind processes reality.
The work that we've done, it can be very portable and can be leveraged by other organizations as well, other federations, if you will, other communities and so on. And we have a great example of that with Mobi today.
Business networks, blockchains, ledgers are essentially collaborative tools and collaborative technologies.
You know, SASE services are really expected to provide an optimal combination of networking and security.
These more complex business scenarios that are actually great opportunities for everyone involved.
While the standards are there, I think getting the ecosystem to work together to make sure that the expected outcome and slicing performance is extended beyond network borders. And I really think like a group like MEF can help standardize these and make sure they work well.
Networking is cool again, right? Networking is cool again.
Clearly, a lot of educational content covered in episodes 1 through 6, and thanks to the generous support of our sponsors, speakers, and analysts, it's all available to you, our audience, on demand on this platform. Feel free to show your appreciation by visiting our sponsor booths below and chatting up our speakers and analysts by using the chat feature to your right. If you like what you hear today or you have any questions, feel free to let them know. Now, we open today's discussion with a very special keynote presentation from Frank Morales, VP Connectivity at Orange Business Services, a MEF 3.0 certified provider. Frank joins us to talk about supporting customers' evolving challenges using a cloud-native approach. But first, a short message.